So over here, you can see that I have a web page opened up in Google Chrome. And let's say I want to zoom out or zoom in to view the contents in different ways. So in order to do that, I can go around over here on the top right and click on this three button icon. And if I were to go over here, you can see zoom is an option. So I can click on the minus button to zoom out. Let's say, for example, if I were to click it a few times, you can see that now it is at 50% and the content behaves as if the monitor is 4 times larger. I can also go over here and press on the plus button right here to zoom in. So if I were to click it multiple times, you can see that the font is way larger now. So if I were to click over here, and you can see that now it's 200%, I can go back or forward just like this. Another way I can use the zoom in feature is by using the keyboard shortcut. And to do that, I can press Control, I can hold Control and press the minus key on my keyboard. And then the minus behaves as if everything is zoomed out, and you can see the value right here. You can press Control and plus, and then everything zooms in right here just like that. And on the top, if I were to press Control plus, you can see that there's this little control that pops up. So I can press minus to zoom out, or I can press plus to zoom in just like this. And if I were to click on reset, then everything resets out and then it goes back to 100%. I can also hold Control on my keyboard and use the scroll mouse button to scroll in to zoom in, as you can see. So scroll in to zoom in and scroll out to zoom out right here as well. You can also press reset, of course, to get back onto the default state. And that is how you can zoom in and out of web pages inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.